Hey, it's fly season, and I'll tell you what, my cows are suffering, so I got to get out there and I got to catch some flies. We're going to use these milk jug traps and a milk jug to catch thousands of flies. I'm going to show you how we do it right now. Here's what comes in the package. You get 2 of these caps that go on top of the milk jug, and you get several of these little bait packs. Now mainly this is dehydrated rancid eggs. So when this runs out, we don't have any more packets, we're just going to go to eggs. But for right now, we're going to take a milk jug. Instructions say to fill it halfway with water. And all we need to do is take the lid off. Now this little packet will dissolve in here. So let's just get it down in here, into the milk jug. And it's pretty snug, but it'll go. Now that will dissolve on its own. Simply put the cap on it, and we're ready to go. All right, you guys, when you're done, this is what it should look like. I've got the little packet in here. We just slosh it around a little bit, get that to mix up, and we can go put it over next to my cattle where all the flies are. I'm gonna show you setting this up, and then we'll come back in a couple of days, and I'm gonna show you how many flies we catch with it. Now, I've used these in the past, and I know they work great. So let's head on down to the cows, get this thing set up. That's my automatic gate. That's a whole nother video. Okay, you guys, so I got down here in the field where my cows like to hang out, and I'm a little ways away from my 55-gallon barrel fly trap. My cows actually like to hang out underneath these trees here, and you can see they've got the ground just beat down. So what I want to do is put this 1-gallon fly trap really close to where they lay around and see if we can pull some of the flies off of them that are pestering them all day long. I'm going to hang it from that branch right there. I need a piece of baling wire. I'm going to tie it on. It doesn't take much to hold this together. And now I'm just going to take it and hang it right up on this limb. Well, there you go, guys. I'm going to come back in about a week and check it, and we'll give you an update. Well, it's been several days now, and you can see that this trap is a resounding success. I put it in an area that my cows like to lay around during the day. Nice and shady by the creek. It's nice and cool here, and the flies know that. So you can see that it actually pulled a bunch of flies off of my cows. I'm going to say that this is a resounding success. Hey, you guys, if you like these kind of videos, hit that like and subscribe button for me, and I'll see you on the next Ask Dad How.